In this video, we're going to show you how to add a camera to your Qumulex gateway. First, you want to browse to the cameras page, and in this case, select the Add button. I already have a camera added here, so we're going to take a look at it. When we double click here, you can see that you can name this camera anything you want. The key items to have is the username, password, and IP address, and it will connect and automatically pull all the information about the camera and the firmware. On the right hand side, you'll see that it has a cloud storage option. By default, that will be 0. That goes all the way up to 365, and this is the number of days that you want stored in the cloud. In this case, we've got it set to 7. You can also see some of the information we've pulled from the camera, including some of the image settings, as well as which streams are available and which streams that we have enabled. We always suggest that you have a high-res and a low-res stream so that Qumulex can dynamically switch between those when it makes sense. On the top, you do see that gateway is online, camera is connected, and profiles, all streams are connected, and that indicates these streams here. The Qumulex system will connect via OnVIF, Profile S or T using H.264 video. If you need to make any adjustments to the camera's web page, you can do this via the Go to Web Page button here. So any settings as far as frame rate or motion settings, you can click Go to Web Page, and it will automatically bring you into the web page and log you in using the credentials, giving you access to immediately make the adjustments that you need, and then go right back to the Qumulex software. If for some reason there are settings that didn't show up that you think should have, you can double click on the scripts section and hit reconnect, and it will reconnect to the camera and ensure that it pulls all of the latest settings across. And that's all there is to it.